Hello student, welcome back to our YouTube channel UTC Fx, the channel which has the main objective of teaching you and giving you the knowledge, the necessary basic knowledge and about Forex trading, the biggest market on the world. Today we are going to answer some of the questions we were asking about we were asking about the Forex traders and the best Forex traders you can use. But before we go to the today lessons, let's meet after the intro. Welcome back to our YouTube channel UTC Fx. Before we go to today's lessons, let's do a quick recap of what we learned in the previous lessons. The previous lessons we learned about price actions. We have seen that the price action is simply the terms which is used by the technical analysis of the technical traders to interpret and describe the price movement in an asset. I hope you remember that. And if you do not remember, you can go to the link in the upper corner of your screen and in order to remind yourself what we learned from there. We have seen that these price action traders trade based also on the market environment. We have seen that the market behave differently in different times, and we have seen that the market can be trending or ranging, and we have seen that the market can trend up, and that is what we call uptrend, or it can, in the while it is running down, we call it downtrend. And we have seen that once the market it is trending between a high set price and a low price, in between these two prices, which we call support and resistance. We call it ranging market or sideways horizontal market. You can name it like you want it. Remember, these are simple introductions. We will see more details in upcoming lessons about the price action, because it will be the trading methodology we will be using in UTC. So today, let's see what is Forex Brokers. Forex Broker, this is only a financial service company that provides traders as a tool, a platform to buying and selling foreign currencies. As a retail traders like me and you, we can have no access to the banks and big institutional trading firms. So in order to buy and sell currencies or any other assets, we need the mediums in between the banks and the retail traders, and these mediums is what we call Forex brokers. Forex being the biggest market currently, which is trading with 60.6 trillion US dollars every day. Of course, this means huge opportunities in Forex trading. There are many frauds people or many frauds companies which have objective of stealing people, and that is why we are giving you this lesson about the Forex brokers, because if you deposit your money on the long Forex broker, you can lose it easily. So hopefully we are here to help you, to give you the necessary knowledge in choosing Forex brokers, and we hope it will be useful to you. There are different types of Forex brokers out there, but there's both. Any Forex traders, they fall in two categories. One, they are what we call during desk brokers, and these brokers, we call them market brokers. These brokers are the brokers who take the codes of the market from the central banks, and they readjust the bid and ask a price. They widen the spreads in order to get the profit, because they do not provide the platform and the codes, the currency pair to trade free of charge. That is the way they make money. So they take the codes they get from the central banks and they readjusted them, and they give us they give the traders the readjusted codes. And they are very important because they provide the movement of the markets, and that is why we call them market makers. The second category of the forex brokers is what we call non-dealing desk brokers. So these are the broker mainly who takes the currency codes directly from the central bank, and they provided them to the forex traders as they get them. You could ask yourself how they make money, since they have no spreads to play with in order to get money. So this type of brokers, they charge commissions for every trade you make. So if you decide to buy or sell any asset from the platform, as soon as you hit the buy or sell button, they will charge you a commissions for the service they gave you. That is how they make money. Through these categories of forex brokers, you receive three categories. There are the brokers which we call straight flow processing brokers, there are electronic communication network brokers, there are direct market access brokers. But what is common for them is that they charge you commissions from the service they give you, and some of them they charge commissions and spread at the same time. Therefore, while choosing a forex broker, this will be the first thing you will need to consider, whether you want a market maker which will charge you the transaction costs through the spreads, or a non-dealing desk broker which will charge you a commission for the service they provide to you. So there are some additional criteria you have to consider while choosing a forex broker. One of them is to check whether your forex broker is regulated. There are forex broker regulators, well-known forex regulators like FSI, which is in Europe, like ASIC, which is Australian regulator, and so on. The only way you will make sure that your money it is safe and it is deposited from a variety of forex broker, it is to ensure that the forex broker, your forex broker, it is regulated with one of the well-recognized forex broker regulators. Otherwise, if you deposit your money with a non-regulated forex broker, I'm sorry, to inform you that you can wake up in one day and find that your account is zero. So you have to make sure that your forex broker is regulated with a recognized regulator. You have to make sure that your broker has a real physical address. You can use nowadays, it is simple, you can use a Google Map, you can use Google Earth to check if the address provided by your forex brokers are real. So you have to pay attention on the regulations of a forex broker. Your forex broker must have a good service and support, because through the period of trading you will encounter some period, maybe your trading platform it is not working, you have a trade which triggered onto this beyond the entry price you had set, the market which hit the stop loss, and then you are not out, and then you lose more than you was predicted to lose on a particular trade. You will encounter some small problems, and to get solutions and support, your broker must have a good service and support anytime you need them. If you need your broker today, and you give him an inquiry and he answer you after a week or after 2 days, I think this is not a good forex brokers you want to work with the competitions of brokers. Today there are brokers whose 5 by 5 days hotlines to support their people. So I think you should consider this factor also. The good forex broker must give you your money back. With this competition and with the popularity of forex brokers, there are currently the brokers who can even give you instant withdrawal, even with the mobile money services. If your Forex broker, if you withdraw the money with your Forex broker and it takes 2, 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 1 month, without getting your money back yet, it could be this is not a good Forex broker. You should choose. You have to check. There are many trading platforms out there beyond the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and DC Trader we gave you. There are more Forex trading platforms out there. Some are free, others are charged. So you should check whether the broker you wanted to choose have a platform you want to use. For example, if you are using MetaTrader 4 and if you are familiar with MetaTrader 4 and the broker you wanted to choose is not offering the MetaTrader 4, either you should consider switching the trading the broker, or you will need to pay and to familiarize with his trading platform. So this is another factor you should consider while choosing a Forex broker. You have to check whether your Forex broker will have the market you want. Different brokers provide services for different market. There are brokers which provide only cryptocurrency. There are Forex brokers which provide only stock markets. There are brokers which provide only commodities. There are brokers who provide only currencies, and there are even Forex brokers who provide a mix of currencies, commodities, cryptocurrencies, etc. So while choosing a Forex broker, you have to check whether this particular broker offers the market you want to trade. So these are the main factors you have to consider when selecting a Forex broker, and I hope they are very helpful to you to choose one of the brokers you will be using. If there is still more information you are looking for about the Forex brokers, please comment below, and this video will be great to give you more information. You can also go to our website www.ultimatetraders.rw. You will get more information about the Forex brokers. And if you could not find the information you are looking for, you can also use our WhatsApp or drop us an email, which you can find on our website too, and we'll be very glad to help you. Note that we are a partner of one of the well-known Forex broker worldwide. If you wish, you can drop us an email or a message. We'll be glad to give you details about this Forex broker, and so that you can check whether they are the right broker for you. Thank you very much. Let's see each other in the next lessons. But if you are new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss the next lessons. Hit the like to support our YouTube channel with YouTube algorithm, and share this ultimate golden information with your friends and family so that they know about these informations. May God be with you. See you next time.